Hello everyone, I'm Ate Ai. In this video, it's all about solve this problem involving permutation and combinations.
Here's our objectives. First, define permutation and combination. Second, solve problems involving permutations and combinations. And last, apply the concept of permutations and combinations in real-life situation. First, let's define what is permutations. Permutations is referred to the different possible arrangement of a set of objects in which order is important. A number of permutation of n things taken are at a time. Here's our formula. P, the quantity of n and r, is equal to n factorial divided by the quantity of n minus r factorial. Example number 1. A team of 11 football players needs to choose a captain and co-captain. To solve the problem, find and identify the values of n, which is 11, and r is equal to 2. 11 because n is the total number of objects, while the r is the total number of objects that need to be arranged. Second step is substitute the given to the formula. Okay, our formula is P, the quantity of n and r, is equal to n factorial divided by the quantity of n minus r factorial. Substitute, n is 11 and r is equal to 2. Okay, 11 factorial divided by 11 minus 2 factorial. The next step is solve the problem. Okay, the formula. Okay, 11 minus 2 is equal to 9. So, 11 times 10 times 9 factorial. Since the denominator is 9 factorial, we can cancel the numerator who have the same number, which is the 9 factorial. Okay, cancel them. Okay, the result is 11 times 10 is equal to 110. Okay, our final answer is 110. 110 ways that can choose a captain and co-captain. Our next example is, if there are 10 students in the class, how many different ways are there to announce the first, second, and third honors? To solve the problem, identify the values of n and r. N is 10 and r is 3. We have 3 objects that needs to be arranged. The next step is substitute the given to the formula. Again, our formula, and substitute. After that, solve the problem. Okay, the formula. 10 factorial divided by, okay, since 10 minus 3 is equal to 7 factorial. 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 factorial. Since our denominator is 7 factorial, we can cancel the same number in the numerator, 7 factorial. Okay, so the number that we are going to times is 10 times 9 times 8 is equal to 720. Okay, our final answer is 720 ways are there to announce the first, second, and third honors. Okay, let's come to our next subtopic, which is combinations. First, let's define what is combinations. Combinations refer to the number of ways of selecting from a set when the order is not important. A number of combination of n things taken or at a time. Here's our formula for combination. See, the quantity of n and r is equal to n factorial divided by the quantity of n minus r factorial times r factorial. Okay, here's our example number 1. There are 30 students available to tutor. In how many ways can the teacher choose 4 students? To solve the problem, identify the values of n and r. Our n is equal to 30 and our r is 4. Okay, the next step is substitute the given to the formula. Our formula is C. The quantity of n and r is equal to n factorial divided by the quantity of n minus r factorial times r factorial. Then, solve the problem. The formula, okay, 30 factorials, okay, 30 minus 4 is equal to 26 factorial. Okay, since the denominator have a 26 factorial, we can conclude that the numerator can end to the number of 26 factorials. Since 26 factorial have the same to the denominator 26 factorial, we can cancel. Okay, cancel out. The remaining numbers are 30 times 29 times 28 times 27. The denominator is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay. Find the numbers that we can cancel out or divisible by the numbers in the denominator. Okay, 30 divided by 2 is equal to 15. Okay, another 28 divided by what number? Yes, 4 is equal to 7. And 27 can be divided to 3. The number is 9. Okay, the remaining number 15 times 29 times 7 times 9. The final answer is 27,405. Our next example is 6 out of 12 students will watch Frozen instead of Rapunzel. To solve the problem, step number 1, identify the values of n and r. Our n is 12 and our r is 6. Okay, our next step is substitute the given to the formula. Our formula again is C. The quantity of n and r is equal to n factorial divided by the quantity of n minus r factorial, r factorial. Okay, we already substituted. The next step is okay, 12 minus 6 is equal to 6 factorial. Okay, the result is 12 factorial divided by 6 factorial and 6 factorial. Okay, since the denominator have a 6 factorial, we can end the numbers in the numerator by 6 factorial. Okay, our number is 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 factorial. We can cancel the same number in the numerator and denominator. Cancel out. The remaining number 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 and times 7. The denominator 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 and times 1. Okay, again, find the number that we can cancel out or can be divided by the numbers in the denominator. Okay, 12 and 6 can be cancelled out. Is equal to 2. 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. And 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. Okay, our numbers are 2 times 11 times 2 times 3 times 2 times 7 divided by 2 times 1. Okay, the answer is 1,848 divided by 2 is equal to 924. Our final answer is 924. We are done to our discussion. Let's come to our activity. Let's do this. Okay. In letter A, direction, solve the following permutations, problems, and show your solution. Okay, 1 to 3. Sheena has 9 Harry Potter books. In how many ways can she arrange 8 books on a bookshelf? In 4 to 6. 8 people are in a contest. How many ways can first, second, and third place can be awarded? Our letter B. Our letter A is about solving permutation problems, while our letter B is solving combinations problem. 7 to 9, a soloist is auditioning for a musical play. If she is required to sing any 3 of the 7 prepared songs, in how many ways can she make her choice? Okay, or 10 to 12, in how many ways can a committee composed of 4 women and 4 men be selected from a group of 10 women and 12 men? Our letter C. State if the scenario involves permutation or combination, then solve it. For 8 points, you are transferring to a new house. You have a collection of books, but you cannot take them all with you. In how many ways can you select 7 books out of 10 and then arrange these books on a shelf if there is space enough for only 5 books? Okay, that's all. Good luck and make it perfect. Thank you.